IAS scholars, how are you all? Children, I hope you all are fine. Today, I'm back with a very interesting story. So, are you all ready for the story session? Yes? Okay. But before starting the story, I want to show you something. See what ma'am is having. What's this? This is a fish. And look children, how beautiful she is. She is having so many glittering scales. Wow. Isn't she beautiful? You know what is her name? Her name is the rainbow fish. What is her name? The rainbow fish. And children, you know what is the title of my story? The title of my story is The Rainbow Fish. Today, Rainbow Fish is here to share a very important message with all of you. So children, are you all ready for the story? Yes? Come, let's start with the story. Once upon a time, far in the sea, there lived a beautiful fish. She was not an ordinary fish. She was very different from other fish because she was having different color scales on her body. Glittering, shimmering scales on her body. And you know, every other fish wants to play with this rainbow fish. But this rainbow fish was not interested in playing with anybody. She was very proudy and she just want other fish to admire her beauty. So one day when she was swimming in the sea, there came a peach color fish to her and she said, "Hey rainbow fish, hi, your scales are so beautiful. They are so glittery, shimmering. Wow, please can you give me one of your scales?" The rainbow fish said, "Scales? You want my scales? No, I'm not going to share them with anybody. Why will I share my glittering scales with you?" So the little peach fish said, "Please rainbow fish, please give me just one scale. I only want one scale. Please give me." The rainbow fish said, "No, I'm not going to give you my scale. Go away from here." And the little fish, she was very upset and she went away. Her other friends asked her, "Why are you upset, my dear friend?" And the little peach fish said everything to their friends. And she said, I want to have a glittering shining scale from rainbow fish. But she didn't agree to give it to me. She is very proudy. I'm not going to talk with her. Then other fish in the sea decided they are not going to talk with rainbow fish. Now the rainbow fish was also feeling very sad. Why she was feeling very sad? She was feeling very sad because now nobody used to admire her beauty. So when she was swimming in the sea one day, she saw a starfish and she decided to go to the starfish. "Hey starfish, hi, how are you?" The starfish said, "I'm fine rainbow fish, how are you?" Rainbow fish said, "I'm not happy. Nobody's playing with me. Nobody's talking with me. What wrong I have done? Please tell me." And the starfish smiled and said, "Oh my dear friend, you know what you have done. The little peach fish, you remember? She asked for a glittering scale from you and you said no to her. Why I will share my glittering scale? These scales are my beauty. Why I am going to give my scale to anybody? Why will I share? I don't want to share my scale with anybody," said rainbow fish. Then the starfish said, "See rainbow fish, there lives an octopus in the sea. He is very wise. I suggest you to go to him and he will definitely guide you." The rainbow fish said, "Okay, I will go to him and I will ask for a solution from him." And saying this, the rainbow fish went away. What happened next, children? Next, the fish went to the octopus. The octopus was very wise and he was very knowledgeable. So, when the rainbow fish went to octopus, the octopus was very amazed to see her. So, the rainbow fish said, "Hey octopus, how are you?" The octopus said, "Hi rainbow fish, I'm very good. So, tell me, how come you are here today?" "Hey octopus, I just want one solution from you. Will you please help me out?" said the rainbow fish. And octopus said, Yeah, tell me what problem you are having. I will definitely help you out." So, listening to this, the rainbow fish shared her whole story with octopus. She said, "One of the peach color fish came to me and asked for a shiny glittering scale. But you know what? I said no to her. Why will I share my glittering scale with anybody? They are so beautiful. If I will give them my glittering scales, then nobody will appreciate my beauty. These glittering scales are my beauty. I can't share them with anyone." The octopus said, "See rainbow fish, I can give you a suggestion for this, and it's totally your choice if you want to follow. Tell me, what is the solution? I will try to follow. Tell me, octopus." And the octopus said, "Give your scale to the peach color fish. Give one of your scale to her, and then she is going to become your friend." "Huh? Don't tell me. Please, I'm not going to share my scale with anybody. Please, can you suggest me some other way? I don't want to share my scales with anybody." The octopus said, "This is the only solution I have, and the rest is your choice." Then the rainbow fish went away from there. And children, now the rainbow fish was thinking, what should I do now? If I will share my scales with other fish, then I will no more be different. I will be an ordinary fish. Nobody will going to appreciate my beauty. Then I don't want to share my scale with anybody. And then the small little fish, peach fish, again came to her. And she said, "Hey rainbow fish, please rainbow fish, give me only one of your scale. A little scale will help. Please, I also want a glittering scale. Please share your scale with me." Then the rainbow fish said, "Okay, I'm going to share my one very small glittering scale with you. But please remember, I'm just going to give you a small scale. I'm not going to share my big scales with you. Okay?" And this little fish, peach fish, listening to this was very happy. She said, Okay, you just give me a small, scale. It will be okay to me." And the rainbow fish gave her smallest scale, glittering scale, to the peach fish. The peach fish was very happy. She started dancing in joy. "Way, yeah, I'm also having a glittery scale now." Somewhere in her heart, the rainbow fish was feeling happy. She was feeling very happy to see the little peach fish dancing. And when the other fish also saw the little fish having a scale, glittering scale, they all came to rainbow fish. "Hey rainbow fish, please give us one scale. Please, only one scale we want to have. Give us your glittering scale." And then the rainbow fish decided to share her glittering scales with her friends. Now everyone in the sea was having one glittering scale with them, and at last the rainbow fish was also left with only one glittering scale. But children, you know something? This time the rainbow fish was really feeling very happy. She didn't felt like this before. She came to know that through sharing, we all can become happy. If we are going to share our things, our belongings with our friends, we will definitely feel very happy. So children, what is the moral of this story? What moral does rainbow fish give? The rainbow fish, through this story, told us that sharing makes us happy. And if we all want to be happy, we all have to learn to share our things. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.